for the Viksit Bharat Bundelkhand 2025. In this smart city, we have added some modern features. So this is our disaster management and alert system. It consists of a flood and earthquake alert. As you can see, its working principle is Arduino UN, and it has an earthquake sensor which senses the earthquake and sends alert to all the houses, and it also has a buzzer which beeps to give the alert to the house. As you can see, when I move this, then the buzzer beeps and then red light alert shows. And we also have a flood sensor. As you can see, when I put this sensor into the water, then this speaker gives an alert for the flood, and the green light is also lit, as you can see. And next we have a street light. Here it is a street light which is used in the roads to show the light to the vehicles. When it is daytime or the weather is bright, then the light will not work. But when the weather is dark, then the light, as you can see, if I place finger here, then the lights are on, which means that the weather is dark and artificial lights are required. It is also useful during the fog when the vehicles or the person driving the vehicle cannot see what's in front of them. Next, we have an automatic irrigation and plant protection system. It makes irrigation easier. It makes irrigation easier and decreases the efforts of the farmers. When the soil is not moist, the soil sensor senses it and sends a signal to the Arduino, and the field is irrigated through the water pump. And when the soil is moist and it rains, as you can see, when I pour water, then the flap is closed. And when there is excessive sunlight, it senses it and it closes the flap. This solar panel senses the intensity of the light, and when this light is more intense, it closes the flap. So this is all about our model smart city. Thank you.